Students, we were doing the chemical properties of metals, in which we have done reaction of metal with water and reaction of metal with oxygen. So today we will discuss reaction of metal with dilute acid. Metal when react with dilute acid, it will give metal salt and hydrogen gas will be released. Like I have taken the example of magnesium. Magnesium plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2, and Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2. All metals do not react with acids. Now, relative reactivity of metals with dilute acids. We will discuss this by experiment. Take small pieces of magnesium, aluminium, zinc and copper in different test tubes. Add equal volume of dilute HCl. You observe the release of rate of formation of hydrogen gas will be different. So after watching this, it decreases in the order. You can write down the fast, or you can say rate of formation of H2 will be fast in magnesium, then aluminium, then zinc, then iron. So by this activity we can find out which metal is more reactive or which will give hydrogen gas fastly. Now, no hydrogen gas bubbles in the test tube containing copper metal and dilute HCl. It means copper does not react with HCl. You know from reactivity series, metals such as copper, silver, gold are less reactive than hydrogen, so they do not displace it from dilute acids. Now the very important topic, metal react with dilute HNO3. They will not produce H2 gas. Why? This question comes also. Why when metal reacts with HNO3, hydrogen gas will not be released? Because nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. So it oxidizes hydrogen gas to water and itself gets reduced to N2O and NO or NO2. Oxidize means gain of oxygen and reduce means loss of oxygen. So in case of nitric acid, hydrogen is not produced, but very dilute HNO3 reacts with magnesium and manganese to evolve hydrogen gas. Like I have written two reaction, magnesium plus 2HNO3 gives MgNO3 plus hydrogen. In this case only very dilute nitric acid is used, and this is only for the case of magnesium and manganese. Now another one is aqua regia. Aqua regia is mixture of one part of this I have written 1 part of HNO3 and 3 part of HCl. Concentrated HNO3 is 1 part and concentrated HCl is 3 part. It is used for the purification of gold and platinum. It can dissolve all metals, even gold and platinum also. But alone concentrated or HCl or concentrated nitric acid cannot dissolve gold and platinum. Now reaction of metal with salt solution. You have done displacement reaction. This is nothing other than this is only displacement reaction. Salt solution of metal B plus metal A. If the metal is more reactive, then it will displace from the other metal from its salt solution. Otherwise reaction will be no reaction. Like I have written copper sulfate plus zinc. If the question comes why the color of the solution changes, because zinc is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate and we get colorless solution. Similarly, if ZnSO4 plus copper comes, then reaction will be no reaction because copper is less reactive than zinc. Now these were the properties of metals, chemical properties of metal. Now reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Carbon react with oxygen to form CO2. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form SO2. I told you in my previous lecture that metal oxides are basic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, means they changes blue litmus paper to red. Reaction of non-metal with water. Non-metal do not react with water. Phosphorus is stored in water to prevent its reaction with oxygen or you can say air. Reaction of non-metal with acid. Non-metal do not react with acid, means they do not displace hydrogen from acids. These were the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. In the next lecture we will do electron dot structures.